What's going on, Supra channel? Welcome back, guys. This is part 9 of the 900 horsepower Supra build, 9th part and the final one. Today we are heading to the dyno, guys. Finally, are closing to this project. We are here, running late a little, obviously, like always. You know me. We have 10 gallons of gas that we got to pick up of V85 before heading to the dyno. And yeah, here's a quick rundown, just in case anybody is hasn't been following with the build. What we have is a 93 original twin turbo 6-speed Supra, left-hand drive. You know what, a high sought-out version of the Supra. So it basically is a stock bottom end car. It has got a BC 276 cams, precision 6870 next gen turbo. So we're I mean, at least me, I'm super excited to see how, you know, what that turbo puts down. It's on a base map right now. It's probably, what is it, 12 to 15 pounds of boost cut off, so you really can't get on it. And yeah, everything else is pretty much, you know, hyper twin intake manifold. It's got twin fuel pumps, ID 1700cc injectors. Pretty basic setup. Nice parts, but pretty basic setup for what it is. So we're hoping it cracks 900 horsepower. That's really the goal for us. If it does a little more, if it does a little less, you know, we'll take it. So yeah, let's go ahead and go get some gas and head to the dyno. So I'm driving the Supra on the way to the dyno, and man, I could just tell you, this turbo is pretty wild, man. Like the way it just lights up. It literally has a 15-pound boost cut. You know, obviously you can't see it now. It's, you know, we hit 1 pound. But from 4 to 15 pounds, it's like literally like in like a split of a second. It's not even a second. It just right away it's there and boost already. Man, when I drive these cars, man, like, it just makes me like just want to downgrade from my big 86, 85 on my Supra to something smaller, man. It's just so much more, you know, aggressive and enjoyable. That you know, it just makes you kind of, you know, be at that 1,000 horsepower range. Like you don't need that crazy 1,500 horsepower. You know, it's nice to have the power, but you know, when it's a lot more usable at, you know, at lower RPM, it's just that much more fun. You know, it's more explosive. It's just a lot more fun, man. Yeah, let's keep going down to the dyno and pray that we get there on time, because we're already late. So hopefully they don't get too mad at us. Before I forget, man, I have given you guys 9 whole episodes of this build from start to finish. Just a quick little reminder, guys, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. You know, it's the one way you can support me. It doesn't take much. All you gotta do is just click on something and, you know, pretend like you follow me, whatever, hit the notifications to get, you know, you guys gotta follow along with the new videos. But everybody that has subscribed, man, I appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. It obviously helps me keep motivated to keep making these videos and not feel like I'm wasting my time. So thank you very much for everyone that takes the time to comment, sends me a message, you know, and gives me a thumbs up on the videos, guys. Thank you. I appreciate it. All right, getting up on the dyno. Got straight over here. They're already waiting for us, so should get down to business right away. made 650. Brought down the torque a little bit. Trying to be conservative. Remember, it's a stock bottom end, so we're not trying to kill it on pump, especially. I don't know, man. I think 650 on pump is more than enough. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put the E85 now in the car. Usually I'm here with somebody, but I'm solo today, so gotta make the best of it and do it myself. First pull on the 85, 27 pounds, made, what did it make? 740 and 615 a torque. 27 pounds on 85, so see what, kind of get up a little more, see what she does. Riding shotgun in the car. Made 66, 702 torque. So almost there, almost there. Completely my fault. I had forgotten to upgrade the map sensor to a 5 bar from a 3.5. This is what you had with the stock twin turbos, and obviously when we hit 35 pounds, the car wasn't going over that. So luckily they had one here. We were able to put it on, and let's go so we can make our go number and go home. 718. Yo, you're the man. Hell yeah. Very excited, man. Finally reached the goal. Car safe. It's the best thing we could ask for. We got ready. All right, guys, back home from the dyno. Obviously, this is not the Supra. This is another Supra that I'm working on. I actually have two other, well, that's mine and that's Ricky's over there, but I actually have two other ones that are here. So I'm very blessed, guys, that I've been keeping the Supra game going, and it seems to be back to back, man, and I don't even have time to fix my own, but I'm blessed, man. I'm very thankful for everything, and you know, just wanted to do the closing for this build, guys. It was an amazing build, like always. Shout out to Richard, my best friend, the owner of the car, man. I actually left it in his house because he was just coming back into town, and he said, leave it there. I'm taking that thing out tonight for a ride. So I'm glad he's super excited, man. I'm sure he's going to enjoy it to the fullest, and we'll see him on the channel, you know, in the future. You know, we're going to be probably making content together, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, guys, I want to sign it off here. Thank you guys for tuning into the whole series, and especially this build, man. We reached our goal, so that's the best thing, with no issues, very minor stuff. So thank God it wasn't nothing big, and we had a successful dyno session, guys, and that's the best we could ask for when everything goes to plan. Guys, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thank you guys for tuning in on the 900 horsepower Super series. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see what the next project is, guys. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye-bye.